We strongly believe that good communication is the key to success. Two main communication tools that will help your child have a successful year is the class website and the Aries portal. The class website includes assignment due dates, announcements, online textbook information, and other important resources that support what your child is studying. Grades are updated frequently throughout each trimester and can be viewed on Aries for your child to monitor his or her progress in each subject area. Please encourage your child to check his or her grades throughout the trimester. If you ever have any questions or concerns at any point regarding your child's progress this school year, please feel free to contact your child's teacher by email. We typically respond to emails received Monday through Friday within 24 hours and emails received Saturday and Sunday within 48 hours. Last but not least, if you would like to meet in person to address any questions or concerns, please first contact us by email to set up an appointment before or after school.